This warp tutorial will show how to configure Ethernet parameters such as DHCP, gateway, and DNS addresses on a BoX2 device. Configuration of these parameters might be necessary when, for example, connecting a BoX2 device to clouds, internet, factory networks, etc. We start by selecting the BoX2 device in the workspace. Click on Ethernet ports in the property grid to expand the list of available ports. To configure LAN A to obtain an IP address from a DHCP server, we need to check the DHCP checkbox. If you choose this option, all other Ethernet parameters will be ignored by the BoX2 device. You can manually configure the subnet, gateway, and DNS addresses. In this tutorial, LAN B is configured to use a subnet mask of 255.255.255.0 and a default gateway address of 192.168.1.1. Right-click on the BoX2 device and select Generate BoX2 Configuration File. In the Browse for Folder dialog, we select our USB drive and click OK. The configuration file is now generated and available for use. To apply the new Ethernet configuration, we just need to insert the USB drive in the desired BoX2 device.